Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on my mind a lot lately, and that's the legitimacy of Wealthsimple's email addresses. Now, before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to be clear that I'm not saying Wealthsimple is a scam. In fact, I've used their services in the past and have been happy with them. However, I've seen a lot of people online asking about the legitimacy of Wealthsimple's email addresses, and I wanted to do some research to see what the deal is. So, what's the problem with Wealthsimple's email addresses? Well, it seems like there are a lot of fake email addresses floating around that are being used to try to scam people. These fake email addresses often look very similar to the real Wealthsimple email addresses, so it can be hard to tell the difference. For example, one fake email address I found was email address removed. This looks very similar to the real Wealthsimple email address, which is supported at wealthsimple.com. However, there's a subtle difference in the domain name. The fake email address uses .ca instead of .com. So, how can you tell if a Wealthsimple email address is real? Well, there are a few things you can look for. First, make sure that the email address ends in .com. Second, check the spelling of the email address carefully. There shouldn't be any typos or errors. If you're still unsure, you can always contact Wealthsimple directly to verify the email address. They have a number of ways to do this, such as through their website or social media channels. So, what can you do to protect yourself from falling victim to a Wealthsimple email scam? Well, the best thing you can do is to be vigilant. Always be on the lookout for suspicious emails, and don't click on any links or attachments unless you're sure they're safe. If you think you may have been the victim of a Wealthsimple email scam, you should report it to the authorities. You can also report it to Wealthsimple directly. In conclusion, it's important to be aware of the risks of fake email addresses. By being vigilant and taking the necessary precautions, you can help protect yourself from becoming a victim of a scam. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and be smart.